Hello and welcome. In this video I will unbox Gambad Box June-July 2021. Very excited. It's an unusual box. Normally we receive a box every month, and in the box we have 2 pairs of stockings. But in summer months we receive some summer clothes. I hope for swimming suit, but no. Okay, summer clothes. And also for this box I paid double price, €32 instead of €16, which I normally pay, and it's because it's double month. It's for June-July. Very excited. Let's see. I expect we receive some 2 sets of clothes. At least that would be reasonable, right? Ta-da! Box of €32. It's quite light. The topic of the box is Fate La Bombe, which I don't know. And we have a leaflet, splash of summer colors, and in the leaflet you immediately see the products which you receive, so I don't want to look at it. Let's first just look at the products. And first we receive the dress. It's called Grand Bain. That's a theme of the dress. It all says that when you're swimming and you're underneath the water and you look at the sun, you see the blue sky and the sun, and you're still underneath the water. So that's the feeling you should get from this dress. It's a Gambad box in collaboration with Marie 16, and you know, let's just put it on. And here it is, the dress Grand Bain from Marie 16. This one is 100% eco viscose and it feels sensitive on my skin. Summery, beautiful colors. I like this dress. That would be my dress of this summer. Okay, the next one we receive a skirt from Gambad box. I don't see any collaboration. I actually even don't see the material it's made of. So it might be polyester. This one we kind of received a similar last year. As you can see, it's a tiny skirt, but then it kind of opens all the way like this. So even when you close it, it's open. So the last year the skirt was twice as long as this, and when I was cycling it just opens all the way. So you have to put it backwards and then cycle, and when you're outside you put it back again. But I'm not sure about this one. It's yeah, the pattern is okay. It's not my favorite combination of colors, but also the material, I'm suspecting it's polyester, and I don't see any note. Oh, sorry, I did find it. Okay, and that's viscose. It's actually the same material as this dress. It's 100% eco viscose. So the reason I don't like polyester, because I think I'm sweating a lot in polyester. Not me, just the person in general. So viscose and cotton, those materials are much breathable for our skin. Like I warned you, this skirt is quite open, so I'd wear it at the beach or at some holiday weekend somewhere, not to work for sure. It's also short, but when you stand it's not so short. In general, yeah, I like it. I will wear it as well this summer. The last thing we get is from Gambad box in collaboration with Nan and Nin, and it's kind of a purse. Is it a clutch? What is it? I suspect it's linen material. Actually, we can see it here. Recyclable, 100% recyclable cotton. And also I noticed that on all the products, also the skirt and the dress, the labels are very cute and tiny. I hate those big labels, and this label you actually feel like you don't have to cut it, that it can just stay. Normally I just cut away all the labels because they're so huge. I don't like those puffy things on the side, but I guess it's a fashion. Well, we got it, maybe something with the beach. Well, that was it about the Gambad box June-July 2021. I liked half of it, so I kind of feel like that could be just one box, but instead it's €32 and 2 boxes in one. I didn't like it though. So what do you think about it? Do you like this dress or the skirt? Do you know the purpose of this thing? Well, let me know. And anyway, just have a good day or night.